All right, we'll take some calls right here, guys. Reason why is because it's moving well into the 40-day, 42-day, and 20-day moving averages down here, exponential and simples. And on the right-hand side of the screen, where are we at? Right-hand side of the screen, it looks like it's about to go into the 5-minute, which would be pretty much the 20-day exponential and the 40-day exponential moving averages. It looks like it's about to get into there, so hopefully we are about to see that double bottom rise. If not, we'll get out of this quickly and realize we were wrong. Got to keep our finger on that sell button, you know, just in case we were wrong. And it looks to be forming maybe a miniature cup and handle right here, especially because I see it's about to cross on the averages, so we don't know yet. Let's go ahead and get stopped out of here, guys, and switch positions. We're at $60 profit, 70. Okay, we'll take that. Let's see if we'll jump back in. We are. Okay. Under. Could this be the move we were waiting for? Probably not. It'd be really nice if it was, though. Alright, we'll take a little loss on this and switch positions. Go ahead and buy a call. I see that it's upward trending right here. It seems to be building an upward trend. Although, we could just scalp this trade and make a little profit. And then switch positions and do it again. Take that $33 profit. Let's see where we're We're gonna head towards next. Hopefully down, to be honest. Alright, I'm buying some puts, guys. There we go. Let's take that $80 profit. Okay, we'll take, oh gosh, $200 profit, okay. Jump back in. And we'll go ahead and switch positions now. Actually, I want to get a more expensive call option. Just a little bit more. Alright, let's keep an eye on it. And that was a pretty huge sell-off right there. There was a lot of volume in that sell-off. Usually after sell-offs, it indicates a pretty good up movement, so we'll keep an eye on it. But it's been looking bearish all day, guys. So we gotta watch out. $50, should we take it? Yeah, we'll take it. Should we get back in? I think we should right about here. This is a good low point. I like it for now. Yeah, for now at least. I'm starting to see a doji candle on my right hand side too. I'll show you guys that when I have a second. 1 second. We're at $78 profit right now. Let's try to lock in 80 next time we see it, but if not, we're gonna have to sell it quickly and get out of here because I don't think it's gonna be bullish for much longer at all. Go ahead and take that $5. It's not very. Ideally, I'd like to see it holding above before I, there. $83. Yeah, we'll take 80. I kind of want to go back in. But I'm not now. Let's see. You see that doji candle? Let me see if I can put away the active trader for a second. There's a doji candle, and it's right here. This little candlestick, it represents a lot of indecision, and usually that's a good indicator of an up movement. But you know, we always have to keep an eye on it. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and buy some in, and I'm gonna have a pretty loose stop loss on this one, guys, simply because it looks to be holding well above the averages, but it can always bounce and reverse, so we have to keep an eye on it for sure. But for now, I think it's a little safe to buy a call, but we can always be wrong, and it can always dip really quickly. And the point at which I'm going to sell it is when if it drops below this point, because if it drops below this point, I know it might look a little bullish. Otherwise, it's probably just a stop hunt and trying to get people out of their money, and it'll bounce back up after. But because we did see that 5-minute doji candlestick. Okay, so we're moving above the 42-day simple moving average and the 20-day exponential moving average, and right now we're at 57 profit. Hopefully, it'll continue holding above the averages. $79 profit. I put a sell order already in for 120 just to go ahead and skimp that next time it bursts. Hopefully. But if it starts moving much too slow for my liking, I'm gonna just go ahead and back out, like right about now. Just went ahead and backed out of that simply because I know that it's in a bearish pattern all day. Bearish pattern simply means that it's going downwards all day, and I saw some profit, so I just locked it in right away. It could go up back to this like little bowl shape right here, and that'd be nice. But I want to lock in profit for sure, before anything. And there it is. So we'll grab that really quick, and if it starts moving anything below the averages, then we'll go ahead and sell it. But right now we're at $65 profit, $80 profit, $83 profit. We'll go ahead and lock in $80, and we're at $161 profit on the day. I kind of want to get back in, but something is kind of telling me not to, and just take the $160 and walk away. So, but I know I still got 30 more minutes for you guys of live streaming, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip a coin. Old school. I'm going to flip a coin, and, heads, I'll do one more trade. Tails, I walk away with $161 profit, and just continue doing live analysis for you guys without me actually trading any of my money, and just calling shots for you guys. So what I say again? Heads I trade again, tails I don't. Let's see. Looks like we got tails, guys. And you see, the thing is, the reason why I did that was simply because of binary, of straight up binary, okay? Ones and zeros. That's how the stock market works, guys. It's yes or no. It's up or down, okay? There's only two options. So don't stress it, You even if you were right only half of the time, as long as you were making your wins bigger than your losses, then you're going to win every single time, even if you were wrong half of the time. And you'd have to be pretty bad to be wrong half the time. You see, not even I'm wrong half the time. So locking in higher profits than you're willing to lose is how you'll lock in consistent gains for that. And yeah, the reason why I did that was because it's yes or no, so it's a 50-50 chance. Even though all my analysis is correct, yeah, sure, it's looking like it's going to follow this pattern according to human, psychology and trading. But what if there's some, super millionaire over there in New York who decided to call this shot, and he dropped it all the way down, Like it's just so random. You have to be ready to accept that you were wrong at any given point. That's why you see me back out of trades a lot, because I realized that I was wrong right away before I start losing more money than I'm trying to make. If I'm trying to make $100 on a trade, why would I wait for my loss to go all the way down to $80? Why would I, if I'm losing $20, $30, $40, it's dropping. Why would I wait all the way till it gets to $80? So that's pretty much what we did. And I'll go ahead and clip the YouTube version of this up to right here, and whoever wants to stick with for the live analysis, that's for the next like 30 minutes, go ahead and stick on in. But I'll trim the YouTube video here, and thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm not going to be live trading tomorrow. I got class in the morning, but I will be doing it on Friday. So tune in Friday, 6:15 in the morning, if you're on the East Coast. We'll be doing the pre-market analysis at that time, and at 6:45 we'll begin live trading. Thanks, guys.